Hi, I'm Sylvia, an analyst with Nigeria Sovereign Investment Authority. My experience through this bootcamp has been very amazing, I would say. Initially, I thought it would just be a high-level introduction into project finance. However, coming in here and finding out that it is way more detailed, and it has been very valuable. Over the course of this 6 days, we have learned how to analyze financial models, how to understand the legal implications of project finance contracts. So it has been very, very valuable, and I am very, very excited and happy for this experience. And then I'd also like to compliment the structure of administering the training. The trainers have been very, very helpful, and they try to make sure that everyone is on the same level. They try to make sure that the training is as practical as possible, such that we can apply it in our various fields of work. So I think that is very, very commendable.